My God. How hard it is to carry on a truck. I'm almost done. This is the last one. I am done with work.
My horse Max is sick.
Luna, are you sure?
I think he has a fever and a toothache.
We urgently need a veterinary examination. Poor my Max. He needs help. I need to call the vet station right away.
Don't worry, everything will be fine. Let's go.
Veterinary station, I'm Peter Longoria Jr., from a horse farm. I need your help. My horse Max has a fever and a toothache. Come urgently, please.
Good morning, Dr. Al Pacino.
Good morning, Luna. Let's hurry to help the horse.
Good morning, Dr. Al Pacino. Max has a problem with his teeth and he has a fever and a toothache.
Okay, don't panic. We'll fix Max's teeth.
Max has black holes in his teeth.
We'll do an x-ray of the teeth and fix all the teeth. Let's go. Max will hurt a little. Please be calm. Be calm. Be calm. We are done quickly. Congratulations, Max. You are very brave.
Hi guys. Stop. Stop. Hi Joseph, are you ready?
Hi David. I'm ready.
Job well done. And, see you again. Today we are going to work with forest tractors. This is John Deere 7930 tractor with front loader. In the middle is John Deere 7930 tractor with loading crane. This is John Deere 1210 forwarder tractor with rotated cab. Hi.
Hi everyone.
Are you ready?
Of course, we are ready.
Let's go skiing.
Let's go snowboarding.
Oh no, help me!
Oh my god, I'm coming to help you.
What happened?
She fell and her hand was seriously injured. Rescue service. Rescue service. One person is injured. We are at the top of the mountain. Hurry up. Please. Over. Please hurry up.
Just slowly. Everything is fine, don't worry. Let's go to the rescue helicopter.
Slowly, slowly, the patient's condition is stable. Tell the hospital that we are coming very soon. Ready to start engine. Start the engine. Okay, all clear. Ready. 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 Okay, pilot, I am ready. Ready to take off. Take off approved for hospital. Goodbye kids. Be careful when skiing. Bye bye.